Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to create Stripe payment link. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for stripe.com and sign in your account. Okay? And once you've done that, what you need to do is to click on the product section at the left side of your screen. And under the product section, just go ahead and select the payment link. Okay. So once you've clicked on the payment link, just go ahead and click on the create payment link button. And then just go ahead and find or add a product. Okay. So once you've done that, just go ahead and customize the payment link however you want. Okay, so you should see some customization section at the left side of your screen. Okay, so now once you're happy with the payment link or the settings of payment link, just go ahead and click on the create link at the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, and then once you've done that, just go ahead and copy the link and you can just go ahead and simply paste it to your conversation with your customer. Okay? And that is how you create Stripe payment link. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.